In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to request a bank transfer in the Chase mobile application. The first thing you want to do is open up the Chase mobile app and sign into your account. Select the credit card you want to transfer a balance to, tap on More or Account Services, choose Transfer a Balance or Balance Transfer. Then you want to enter the details of the balance transfer. So your account number from the one you're transferring from, the amount you want to transfer, and the name of the card you're transferring from. Review the balance transfer items, including any fees and promotional APR offers, and then confirm and submit your balance transfer request. Remember, the balance transfers usually takes 7 to 21 days to process, so continue making payments on your other card until the transfer is complete. The amount you can transfer is limited to your available credit, or $15,000, whichever is lower. There's typically a balance transfer fee of either $5 or 3% of the amount transferred, whichever is greater within the first 60 days of opening a new Chase card. If you're applying for a new Chase card, you can request a balance transfer during the application process or within 60 days of the account opening to qualify for any promotional offers. If this video helped you, subscribe for more Chase tutorials.